Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stamping, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the most of your designer series paper using the Modern Garden bundle. Here's my Modern Garden card using the Garden Walk designer series paper that is in the new September through December mini catalog. This paper is super pretty with all the colors and coordination. I love those two so very much. And really pretty flowers. So just want to show you, and this is like Christmas paper to me. It is a 6x6 sheet with 48 sheets. So you get a lot of designs in this 6x6. The other parts of the suite are the Modern Garden bundle with the stamp set and the Modern Label Punch, as well as these really cute blooming pearls in pink, green, blue, and gold. So for this card, I started off with a basic white base, but I'm going to try a flirty flamingo base for this card just for fun. I have some of the designer series paper. I just used the front and back of one sheet, and I will tell you the measurements here, and I will also include them in the description. We have a 2 3/4 by 3/4 piece. Okay, so that's the first one. And then the second one is also 2 3/4 wide by 2 inches tall. Next, we have a 1 by 2 1/4 piece that matches this. And then we have this 1 by 2 3/4 piece. So first thing to do is to just lay it out like you are going to place it on the cardstock to see where you should place things. So it looks like I can give it about 1/8 of an inch border around everything. So then I'll just adhere this down and attach it to the card base. Next, I have a piece of Poppy Parade cardstock cut with the second largest circle from the Stylish Shapes dies. And this circle, I used the 2 3/8 punch to cut this circle out. And I'm just gonna stamp in Poppy Parade, Garden Green, and Wild Wheat. So for the sentiment, I'm going to ink half of it in Garden Green and stamp it on the circle, and then clean it. Stamp the other half in Poppy Parade and just stamp that nice and tight right below Enjoy Your. Now I'm going to stamp some leaves in Garden Green. Now I can adhere this to the Poppy Parade Stylish Shapes circle and then add it to the card using dimensionals. I like to use 3 dimensionals on circles. And we'll place it right here. And lastly, I'll add some of these pink pearls to the card. So pretty. And that is my Modern Garden Designer Series paper card. To receive this card kit, just place a $50 order using my current host code. Email me and let me know you would like the Modern Garden card class.